Good morning, you all. This is the Blinkster, and although it's 2:30 and I woke up like an hour ago, I was just watching The Walking Dead, my recorded episode. Oh god, I'm so hooked on to that series once again. But I recorded at night, and then I woke up. The first thing that I do when I wake up is watch the recorded episode. Anyway, I hope you all are having a wonderful Saturday, and it's the weekend. But also the thing is that tomorrow there's a voting, there's an election going on here in Delhi, India. So everything's closed, all liquor and everything, like all bars, and there's no liquor in stores. All liquor stores are closed and everything. So I hope you're having a good time at home with your stock liquor or wherever you are. But tomorrow I'm gonna go and vote because I'm a responsible citizen. At least I think I am. I was a political science student, so I think I should exercise my vote. But it's tomorrow. It's a Sunday. It's tomorrow. But today I've decided that I'm just gonna focus everything on studies because since the past few days I've not been taking it too seriously. So I'm just gonna have my lunch and then do my German and then start with the prep again and do that all day. So let's do it. Let's grab some lunch first, or maybe take a shower first because it's burning here, and let's have it and then do it. Pun intended. Made myself a sandwich because whenever I'm studying, I feel hungry as a F. I don't know why, but it's a sandwich that I made for myself, and hopefully this will give me the strength and protein to get through another round of logical reasoning, which is like. So having that, did my German, had tea. Even after that, I'm feeling so sleepy, but I guess that's how that's how life is, and studying always makes you sleepy, whether you enjoy it or you don't. You need so much strength, mental strength, which I'm gathering from here and there. But I have to do it. As I said, I decided it, and I have to do it. All the preps have been done, and it's close to 2 months now. Yeah, that the exam is due. It's due on the 25th of June, one day after my birthday. So I need a lot of blessings, but we'll get to that when we get there. Right now I'm just having the sandwich, enjoying the 2 bites, and then back to torture. I'm back. Sorry for who don't know. I had gone out with my parents like this. Actually, it was just in the car. We just took a round and everything, and I bought my favorite ice cream, which is the Cornetto. But I just realized this one doesn't have the chocolate in the cone, so I got another one. So now I have two Cornettos. Two. And The Walking Dead is starting in 15 minutes. I'm so excited. I'm gonna watch that. Yay! And then another episode starts at 2. But I think this is season 7, not season 3, which comes on the weekdays. The weekend one is the new season, so I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna watch that. Otherwise, the day was just normal, how it's been like. Although I was a bit depressed in the evening about certain things, which I will reveal when the time is right. But right now, the only thing on my mind is The Walking Dead, so I'm gonna go watch that. So, good night to those who are sleeping, and kudos to those who are watching The Walking Dead with me. But for all those who are going to sleep, good night, take care, love you, see you tomorrow.